Hello students, welcome back to DMI's home-based education. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 10, mensurations, that we had already done in the class 5th also, area and perimeter. If you remember the same chapter, at that time also I told you that it is going to come again in 6th. So again in 6th also I am telling that again it will come in 7th also. So mensuration means to find out the measurements. In that, the first topic which we had studied last year also, that was perimeter. This year also will start with perimeter. So again we will recall that what a perimeter means. The definition I had already written. But in short, if we say perimeter means whatever the figure is being given of any नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, अगर कोई भी फिगर हो या प्लेस हो जो भी हो उसका पेरीमीटर अगर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है सो क्या कर देना, उसकी जितने भी साइड्स हैं जस्ट ऐड ऑल साइड्स, यू विल गेट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दैट थिंग. इट कैन बी अ फिगर आल्सो, इट कैन बी अ फील्ड आल्सो, एनीथिंग इट कैन बी. तो उसकी जितने भी साइड्स है वो सब साइड के मेजरमेंट का टोटल करोगे सो यू विल गेट द पेरीमीटर. एज द डेफिनेशन आल्सो सेज द सेम थिंग. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when we go around the figure once. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक स्क्वायर ड्रॉ किया है, अगर उसका मुझे पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है तो स्क्वायर की चारों साइड, स्क्वायर की ऑलरेडी 4 साइड्स आर इक्वल, वन साइड इफ वी फाइंड आउट तो चारों को ऐड करेंगे तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ट्रायंगल होगा तो ट्रायंगल इज अ पॉलीगॉन व्हिच इज हैविंग 3 साइड्स, तो उसकी तीनों साइड को ऐड करोगे तो उसका पेरीमीटर भी मिल जाएगा. सो नाउ perimeter, as I told you, this just sum of side करके side का sum कर दोगे, means when you will add all the sides you will get the perimeter. And in that we studied the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is equal to what? We are knowing that a square is a figure where all the sides are equal. So side and side. So when we want to find out the perimeter of square, तो ये चारों साइड को क्या करना पड़ेगा? Add. So it will be side plus side plus side plus side. तो 4 sides को जब हम ऐड कर देंगे तो क्या मिल जाएगा? Perimeter of square. But as the sides are repeating 4 times, so we can write it as 4 into side. So this will be the formula which we will be using when we will find out the perimeter of square. Same way we had also gone through last year, that was perimeter of rectangle. So in perimeter of rectangle, if you know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So these 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal to each other. सब sides equal नहीं होता, that is only in square. But in rectangle उसकी जो opposite sides होते हैं that are equal. So this is considered as length and this is considered as breadth. तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा? Length, because these 2 sides are equal. This is breadth, so here also it will become breadth, as that 2 sides are also equal. So जब उसका perimeter हमको find out करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? L plus B plus L plus B. So that will be 2 बार L आना है, so it will be L plus L 12. That is also coming 2 times, so 2B. Now दोनों में से क्या कॉमन आ रहा है? 2 is coming common, so बाकी क्या रह गया? L plus B. So this is the formula to find out area of rectangle, that is equal to 2 into L plus B. Last year we made the same चीज लिखवाए थे, this here also you just write down that how this formula is being coming. So जैसे स्क्वायर का हमें पता है, रेक्टेंगल का भी पता है, जैसे ट्रायंगल का करना है तो तीनों साइड को ऐड कर देना है. अगर पेंटागन होगा तो पांचों साइड को ऐड करना है, 6 हेक्सागन होगा तो 6 साइड को ऐड करना है. Like this, when we will add the sides, we will get the perimeter of the figure whichever is being given. So that was regarding perimeter. Now let us come to exercise 10.1 on page number 212. So in that question number 1, that we have to do it in the textbook only. खाली फिगर जो किया है उसमें ऑलरेडी साइड्स मेंशन की है. You have to just find out the perimeter of that figure. Like first one, if you see, it is a four-sided figure, quadrilateral है. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So the answer will come, that will be 12 centimeter. बस वैसे ही सब फिगर्स उसमें जो दिए हैं, that you have to do it in the textbook only. No need to make the figures in the notebook and then solving it. It's better you just do it in the textbook only. That will be your homework. Now question number 2 is being given. From 2 onwards we will start in the fair notebook. So in question number 2 it is given that a lead of rectangular box of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed around all around with tape. What is the length of the tape required? अब एक रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स है, उसकी चारों साइड जो लीड है, चारों साइड उसको क्या करना है, टेप से सील कर देना है. और उसमें पूछा है कि कितनी टोटल टेप हमको चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट दे ऑलरेडी गिवन 40 सेंटीमीटर बाय 10 सेंटीमीटर मींस लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. पहला जो दिया दैट विल बी लेंथ एंड 10 सेंटीमीटर बाय करके जो दिया दैट विल बी योर ब्रेथ. सो every time everything will be not written clearly that this is the length and this is the breadth. So here it is given 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter means 40 is your length and 10 is your breadth. So as it is the word problem, we'll start with the statement only. Exercise 10.1 question number 2. So length and breadth of a rectangular box is being given. So we will write what? Length of rectangular box is equal to 40 centimeter. And what is given? Breadth of rectangular box is equal to 10 सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज ऑलरेडी बीइंग गिवन. अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि उसकी चारों साइड को अगर टेप से कवर करना है. सो फॉर दैट हाउ मच टेप विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. सो व्हाट वी विल फाइंड आउट, देयरफॉर पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 2 into L plus B. So that when we will add, it will be 2 into 40 plus 10. So 2 into 40 plus 10 will be 50, and 50 to the it is 100 centimeter. So total tape जो चाहिए for covering that lead of rectangular box will be 100 centimeter. So that was what we have to find out. Now if we move to question number 3. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? That we have to find out. But there it is given in the form of meter and centimeter. So either we have to convert it into meter or convert it into centimeter. दोनों में से कोई भी एक अप्लाई करके we have to just find out. Okay, so question number 3, it is given what? Tabletop का measure दिया है ना. So what we will write? Length of tabletop is equal to 2 meter and 25 centimeter. So we will convert it into centimeter only. डायरेक्ट सेंटीमीटर में कर देते हैं. अगर पॉइंट में करना है, मीटर में करना है, then it will be 2.25. We are doing it in the centimeter, then 200 plus 25. So it will be 225 centimeter. Same way, breadth is also given. Breadth of tabletop is equal to what? 1 meter and 50 centimeter. So that will again come 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter plus 50. So 150 centimeters that we will get. And therefore, what we have to find out, what is the perimeter of the table top? So perimeter of table top is equal to what? 2 into length plus breadth. So that comes to 2 into 225 plus 150. So that will be equal to 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So just multiplied by 2. So 2 5s are is 10, 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15, 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 750 सेंटीमीटर will be the perimeter. अगर उसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करोगे then 2.25 plus 1.5 you will get 3.75 and then when you will multiply you will get 7.50 meter. अगर हमने उसको मीटर में ही रहने दिया तो, but as we have converted it to centimeter, that's why there will be no points. Then now question number 4, what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 meter and 21 centimeter respectively. See again length and breadth बोला है क्वेश्चन में, उसके बाद 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter is being written, means first length word use किया था तो first measurement will be for length, second breadth word use किया then the second measurement is for breadth. So there don't get confused. So question number 4th one you have to do it by yourself. Just एक फोटोग्राफ है उसको क्या लगाना है, वुडन फ्रेम करना है, वुडन स्ट्रिप रिक्वायर्ड टू फ्रेम, वो फ्रेम लगाने के लिए कितना वुडन स्ट्रिप चाहिए that we have to find out. So simple statement, length of photograph, breadth of photograph and therefore perimeter of photograph, और फिर लास्ट में लिख देना therefore this much whatever meter you are getting, centimeter sorry, this much wood will be required for frame. So that you have to do it. Now question number 5. In that if you will see, in question number 5 it is given a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. What is the length of the wire needed? फील्ड जो है उसकी लेंथ और ब्रेथ दिया है किलोमीटर में ही है, उसको फेंस करना है. नाउ वर्ड फेंसिंग as you may be remembering कि जब भी वर्ड फेंसिंग हम फेंसिंग कहाँ पे करते हैं, on the boundary of whatever land or garden anything it can be, लेकिन फेंसिंग कहाँ पे होता है, हमेशा बॉर्डर पे. So whenever the word fencing is being used you have to understand that you have to find out the perimeter. अब फेंसिंग तो करना है बट कितने रोज, 4 रोज करना है, मतलब एक फिर उसके ऊपर दूसरा तीसरा लाइक दैट 4 रोज आर टू बी फेंस्ड विद वायर. अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितना वायर हमको चाहिए होगा, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट, it is in kilometers, so let it be in kilometer only. Length of land, that is 0.7 kilometer. Same way breadth of land is 0.5 kilometer. So हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, बिकॉज फेंसिंग के लिए चाहिए, therefore perimeter of land, that will be equal to 2 into length plus breadth, so which will be equal to 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5. So when we will add 7.7 and 0.5, so 12, it will come as 1.2. So 2 into 1.2 and 12 2s are 24, so कितना हो जाएगा 2.4 किलोमीटर. ये जो पेरीमीटर मिला, this perimeter is just for one round. Like that we have to wire fence it for 4 rounds लगाना है. जब भी हम पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करते हैं, that is just for going one time. But as क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि 4 राउंड्स के लिए कितना वायर चाहिए, so that we have to find out. Therefore total wire required for 4 rounds, sorry 4 rows बोला है, so 4 rows will be equal to what, 2.4 into 4, क्योंकि ये जो मिला है that is just for one round, उससे just एक ही बार होगा, but like that total 4 rows करने हैं, so 4 times same number of wire will be required, so just multiply 4 4s are 16, 1 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, so it will come as 9.6 kilometer wire will be required for 4 rows of that length. Now question number 6, find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. So that I am giving you as homework which you have to do it. Now in question number 6 what you have to do is find the perimeter. First one क्या दिया है, a triangle of side 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. So उसका perimeter find out करना है. So what you will write, perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of sides. क्या लिखना है, that perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of sides, and then you add all the 3 sides, you will get the answer for the first one. Same way if we go to second one, an equilateral triangle. Now you are knowing equilateral triangle means that triangle where whose all sides are equal. So equilateral triangle में फिर sum of sides लिखोगे, then also the formula is not wrong, but as equilateral है तो उसमें formula क्या लगा देना, perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side, क्योंकि equilateral triangle है, that's why all the 3 sides will be equal over there. And the last third one, an isosceles triangle with equal sides 8 cm and each and the third side 6 cm. So isosceles triangle है, a triangle with equal side as 8 cm. So again isosceles triangle में क्या लिखना है, perimeter of isosceles triangle is equal to sum of sides, but equal side is 8 cm. तो वहाँ पे 2 बार 8 लिखना पड़ेगा, because only 8 and 6 अगर consider करोगे तो 2 ही side होगी, लेकिन triangle के 3 side, and it is being told that 8 centimeter is the length of 2 equal sides, इसलिए 2 बार 8 plus 8 plus 6, and then you will get the perimeter of the equilateral, isosceles triangle. Same way question number 7 also you have to do that, find the perimeter of triangle whose measurement is being given. So वहाँ पे भी क्या, perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of sides कर देना है and add it and find out the answer. Question number 8 and question number 9, that also you have to do it by yourself. Question number 8 में क्या बोला है, hexagon, regular hexagon हमने तभी भी पढ़ा था last chapter. Regular means whose all sides will be equal, and hexagon means the figure which is having 6 sides. तो perimeter of hexagon क्या लिखना है, देखो perimeter of hexagon is equal to 6 into side कर देना है, just 6 into side. क्या लिख देना, perimeter of hexagon is equal to 6 into side. And the next one, 9th one, square का perimeter find out करना है, so perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Simple. So this all sums you can do it by yourself, nothing hard is being there. In the next video we will continue with the exercise from question number 10. So till then